Before you eat and after play, wash your hands throughout the day. Germs are tiny, cannot see. Washing hands keeps us germ-free. Turn the tap and feel the flow. Warm water